Turn the light on, buddy. There we go. It's a little better. Should be a little better. Tough guy. What? Is that yours or mine? Jasper. What? Hey, don't bite that. Really? What are you saying? Mm-hmm. You're speaking in tongues. Oh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. Is Jasper a good boy? Some fuzz. Really? It's so bad? Is it bad? I don't know what you're talking about. You're so handsome. Is that good? What? What? That's all? I don't know what you're talking about. You're speaking your own language, huh? Really? Don't I get to use a trackball? Huh? No, I don't? Oh, very pretty. What a pretty wing. That's right. Don't bite it. No, no, no. Really? You get to stretch again, huh? Oh, it looks so pretty. That's right. What are you talking about? You really don't want me to use that, huh? Is that yours? No, don't bite. Don't bite. Eventually that's going to be all gone. Then what'll I do? What'll I do? No. 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 You like the keyboard too, huh? He can really talk, but I don't know what he's saying there. You just want your scratchy, huh? You can always use a scratchy. Right, buddy? You can always use a scratchy. Sorry, that was a new one. I know. You got a bunch of new ones, huh? I can't help that. I can't help that, tough guy. You're a tough guy. Really? No idea what you're saying. You probably do. Do you know what you're saying, little man? It's bad? Really? I have no idea what you're talking about. What? What? You like your scratchy though, huh? And the beak rub too. Beak rub. You're a good boy. Jasper's a good boy. You like that under there, huh? Under your chin? No? Say goodbye, Jazzy.